Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the FIFA World Cup 2026 application here. So all of you stop on the enter option here. We'll just give you a little preview, nothing much. You can tap on here, tap on allow notifications and so forth. Or you can just tap on this. We'll ask for location permission, just tap on allow, and you should be good to go. So once you've done all of that, then we ask you to pretty much sign up or sign in and all of tournaments and so forth. But for now, I'll just tap on access later. So once you tap on that option, you will be able to pretty much see all the matches that's pretty much going on. If I do scroll across, you can pretty much see matches that we playing today, tomorrow, whatever the case is. As well, if we do scroll down, we see other updates as it relates to match and so forth. So also you can see stadium, let's say for example, the stadium options. But do tap on this one here, you can pretty much see what's going on as it relates to the stadiums and so forth. Nothing much for that. And as you can see here. As well, you can see the tournament options. You can pretty much see all the matches that's been played. Here, as you can see, Australia, and if I do scroll on, it will just give you an update on pretty much the 2026 World Cup and so forth. As you can see here, Vinicius Jr. pretty much scored the goal for Brazil. The match pretty much draw 1-1, but you can pretty much see updates as it relates to the World Cup using this application here as well. So we'll ask for some informations, privacy settings and so forth. And just tap on OK, pretty much good to go from there. So as you can see here in the highlight section, as you can see here, match pretty much ended 1-1. As you can see here pretty much who scored and just pretty much gives you a rundown of the match and also the scoreboard of the league or the 2026 league. As well, if you do scroll down, you can see what players said and so forth. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for that. You have the score and pictures which you can check out as well. So do keep in mind all depends on your internet connection, depending on how fast your internet is for these things to load. So that's really pretty much it for that. And here it will take a while to load. My internet is not that fast, but here's pretty much the pictures and the scores as it relates. Matches that have already been played, matches that are going to be played as you can see here. These are the matches that we played tomorrow today, which is the 14th of June 2026. You can see here, and as well matches that we played Monday. And if I scroll down, Argentina, which is my team, will be playing on Tuesday. So that's, as you can see here, Portugal will be playing on Wednesday. So you pretty much can see which country be playing. As you can see, US pretty much beat that stage. This is the first stage. As well, you can check out the team section and pretty much see specifically the teams and how much they're in the league and so forth. So very good application if you want to keep up to date with the FIFA World Cup 2026 this year. And as well, maybe a bit laggy on some devices, so do keep that in mind. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You have the stadium option down here. Nothing much for that. You have the city option down here as well. Nothing much for that. You can pretty much check out matches and work, mostly World Cup. Nothing much. And you have the planner option. Here you can see upcoming events. But yeah, that's really pretty much the application. And as well, if we do tap on the profile icon at the top here, do get the option to sign in and go ahead and select your team and to keep track of your team. So that's really pretty much it for the app. Very easy to use, very straightforward, and as well can get tickets to the World Cup. If you tap on the option here, can get tickets and so forth. So very easy to use. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. If you have any question at all, just let me know in the comment section as well. So see you guys in the next one.